It's a 2019 Cadillac Escalade. Cadillac was meticulous about what went into building this Escalade so you can get whatever you want out of it. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: Ecotec 3 engine, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, streaming video feed rear view mirror, Bluetooth streaming audio, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, dual zone climate control, auto tilt-away steering column, and automatic parking assist. This from Car and Driver, Cadillac's full-size swagger wagon offers brash chrome-tastic styling and leather-lined luxury. For over 100 years, Cadillac has dared to drive the world forward. Experience it for yourself today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.